Hey, it's Scott Young here. I'm glad you've joined me today because we're going to be talking about what is the best website builder for affiliate marketing. Now, there are dozens and dozens of website builders out there. And in fact, your web hosting company for your website may actually have a website builder included in their platform. And it's included in your hosting fee most of the time. But the thing is, I wouldn't recommend using one of those because they're usually missing a key part of what you need to be successful as an affiliate marketer. And that key element that it's missing is actually SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. So SEO is really just the process of optimizing your website so that it will rank higher in the search results in Google and Bing and other search engines. Now, good SEO and good SEO tools in your website builder are going to enable your website to rank higher in those search results, and that's going to drive more traffic to your website. And that's going to mean more clicks on your affiliate links, which means more money for you. Website builders have not really been known as the best solutions for SEO, though, and that's a problem because SEO is crucial for affiliate marketing. But there's one website builder that actually does a really good job with SEO, and that website builder is Squarespace. Now, Squarespace does a good job of building SEO throughout its platform, which could really make or break your business. Now, I got to tell you, I am not affiliated with Squarespace at all. I don't get a commission if you buy their product. I don't have a link in my description that will make me money if you click it. So it's up to you, kind of Google it and go there. But the reason is because I want to give you an honest and real opinion that's not biased by any money. So let's dive into what Squarespace does and why I think it's the best for affiliate marketers. So, of course, everyone wants an easy to update, easy to build, easy to maintain website builder, of course. But if you pick a builder without good SEO, you might end up wasting a bunch of time building a site that's not getting the results you want because it doesn't have good SEO. Now, some builders, for example, they won't even let you customize your own URL or the meta titles or the alt tags. It's kind of crazy that you can't do that in some web builders. But Webspace has built in SEO throughout their site, and they have marketing features that are going to help you get found on Google, and that's going to increase your traffic, and it's going to help you build a larger audience for your website. Some of the key things that Squarespace includes in their SEO tools are automatic XML sitemaps, index URLs, manually control any page's meta title and description, and they actually have a really cool SEO checklist to make sure that you've got all your bases covered when you build your website and do your blog post, so you can make sure that you've got all the SEO things covered that are going to help your website rank in the search results. Now, of course, with Squarespace, you can publish directly to your social media pages. They've got mobile responsive templates that are going to look good on any device. They have a cool feature, which is advanced image formatting. And what happens here is when you upload an image, it actually automatically creates 7 variations of that image so that the image will look good on any device. And of course, they have a variety of professional and beautiful templates to pick from. I think right now they've got 110 different templates that you can choose from included in their monthly fee. But getting back to that most essential aspect of Squarespace, which is SEO, within their editor menu, they actually have a section for SEO and marketing. So you just jump into that marketing menu, and from there you can run email campaigns, you can manage your SEO settings, you can create promotion pop-ups directly from Squarespace. And lastly, they have a traffic analyzer. Now, this tool helps you to figure out if what you're doing to optimize your website is really working or not. So, you could check your traffic and see where it's coming from. You could see what kind of conversions you're getting. You could see which blog posts are actually getting the best traffic and conversions so that you can kind of make more of that same content and build out that part of your site for better results. Now, pricing on Squarespace runs from $12 a month up to $40 a month, but I totally think you could build out a really good website with excellent SEO tools on their $12 a month plan. The other plans that are higher priced are for people who are trying to do some more advanced things with their website, or they've got more traffic flowing to their website. But for 12 bucks a month, Squarespace is an excellent tool for affiliate marketers who are building their website. I hope you enjoyed this video about Squarespace, and I hope you'll check them out and get your affiliate marketing website built today. Before I go, I want to let you know about my #1 recommendation for making money online right now as an affiliate marketer. I'm going to drop a link in the description below this video, and you can check it out and see what you think. Of course, no pressure. It's totally up to you, but I hope you'll check it out. Take care.